you now see the WLS Command Shell application here, one of the HIS utility commands, and we're going to, here it is already installed on this mobile device. I'm going to select and clear the About screen, and we now need to specify the name of the server, the name of the host name of the server, the IP address, the port number, and the user and password that we're going to use to connect to the administrator on that domain. So I'm now going to select, and we're in. We are now logged on to that machine in the domain directory. So if I did pwd, as you've just seen there, that gives you the full path of where you've logged on to on that machine. The user is, of course, the user that you specified earlier. In this case, BPM actually in this one. So next we can do some searching. We can do standard Unix commands from this point to view the files in that directory, or we can move directory. In fact, there are a whole host of commands, Unix commands, that you can use to navigate around, including PS, the number of processes running, what they're doing, everything that you can do on a standard command shell. If you had logged on to the computer locally, you can do remotely here through the mobile device. There are additional commands that have been added to allow you to look at the Android machine as well. So we can actually do a command by putting an exclamation mark in front of it. We can do ls, and that will tell us, list the files on the mobile device as against the remote server. And in addition to that, we've got commands to allow you to get files from the server to your mobile device and put them from here onto the server. So you can get and put, and there are additional commands to view files as well. View them locally or view them remotely. There's a whole host of commands that we can use, you can use, and I won't go into them here, but there's a help list for ones that you can use. Right, so, and then when you've finished, you can just exit out and the application will disconnect and close.